My little robotic pool skimmer robot has not been working well lately. As a result, I got a bunch of leaves at the bottom of the floor that it failed to pick up. So I'm gonna try diagnosing and fixing this little guy. Follow along if you wanna see how this is done. I thought maybe the pool robot was not charging well in the sun. So per the manufacturer's instructions, I put it directly in the sun like you see, inclined, and its power switch is on. This is turning, that's good, that's expected. And occasionally I'll see the rear propellers spin, or at least one of them. One of them does not spin at all, ever. And so that one turned a little bit, and then it turned off. This one here never spins. And what I notice back here is that this propeller, the one that has issues, apparently, is rather tight and doesn't spin very easily when I try to manually rotate it. See, that one works. And when I try to manually rotate this one spins really easily. So the conclusion here is that this motor is broken. So I ordered new parts, link in the description below. These came from Amazon. These are 2 motors. We're gonna replace both motors while we're at it. This kit was about $60. For $60, hopefully we can get this thing up and running again. So the new motor kit has not only motors, but also propellers. Notice that the propellers are marked left. This one has an L indicating left. This one has an R molded onto it up here indicating right. And on these original propellers, I see an R molded in right here. Don't mix these up, otherwise your pool robot may do weird circles or shapes inside your pool. We need to pull off the original propeller, so to do that, use this supplied screwdriver. I really had to pull on this propeller axially to get it to come off, and there it is. Now we need to pull out the original motor, use a supplied tool from the new motor kit, and then rotate counterclockwise to remove that original motor. And there's the original motor out. Put in the new motor. Again, use a supplied tool to tighten up that new motor. There it is. All right, and don't forget to use the correct propeller. We want to look for the right propeller, the right-hand side. Pop that on, and assemble the new screw. New propeller and new motor is assembled on this side, not yet this side. Let's turn on our robot. Oh, and there she goes. This side's working now, perfect. While we're at it, I might replace this side as well, but it looks like already the skimmer robot is repaired. Confirming inside the pool, it looks like this pool robot is back in service. I hope this helps you with your project.